Hiding images in secrets, that's Steganography. I don't always do a Stegno challenge, but it'd been a while, so I just grabbed it, one of the first one that was there, and we had a look, and it just seems there's a lot of investigation with the Stegno stuff. It can be one of 30 odd things, and then it could be a small part of that, so I'm not well versed in it. But we had a look anyway, and we tried some old tricks. We've got this blank image. We used a zsteg, which is like a least significant bit. Tends to be a good starting point for a lot of Stegno challenges. And there's loads of websites you can use. I'll run it through the website next, but zsteg, there's your flag. Now that's not always going to help you. Sometimes you're going to need something a little bit more heavyweight. I use this particular Stegno decoder, or whatever you want to call it. It just runs a load of commands that you could do manually, but it does it automatically. It might be worth just building your own at this point for this sort of thing, because this site's not particularly fast. But let's see where it brings back and if it gets us the same answer. You can also see here that 248 other people have uploaded this same image with various names, so it's quite popular. And you can see here it would have picked it up there, but it would also do some other commands. Strings is always a good one. PNG check, that sort of thing. And it done loads of stuff there, or whatever. Anyways, zsteg was the one. You can always whack on a -a for all, and that'll run through many more. Like a backwards version? Yeah, anywho's, if you're enjoying the content, you want more forensic Steganography CTF content, just hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.